10 self-guided strategies can help a person improve their self-esteem and healing process. For those who have been through sexual, emotional, mental, or physical abuse, even without external support. 1. Practice self-compassion. Abuse often leads to feelings of guilt, shame, or self-blame. Learning to be kind to yourself is essential for healing. Practice self-compassion by reminding yourself that you are not at fault for what happened. When negative thoughts arise, replace them with affirmations of worth and kindness. You might say, "I deserve love and care," or "Others' actions do not define my worth." 2. Develop a daily self-care routine. Establishing a daily self-care routine can help create stability and provide a sense of control over your life. Simple actions like walking, meditating, or engaging in a creative hobby can help you reconnect with yourself. Prioritizing your needs and well-being fosters a sense of self-worth, showing that you deserve care. 3. Keep a journal. Writing about your feelings and experiences can help you process trauma and gain clarity. Journaling can be a form of emotional release, giving you a private space to express your emotions, fears, and hopes. Reflect on your progress, write about things you're grateful for, and remind yourself of your strengths. Over time, this can improve self-esteem and help you track your healing journey. 4. Set boundaries. If you've been abused, boundaries may have been blurred or disregarded. Reclaiming your sense of autonomy starts with setting healthy boundaries for yourself. These boundaries may relate to your time, space, or emotional energy. Assert your right to say no to people or situations that don't serve your well-being. Setting boundaries strengthens self-respect and teaches you to value your limits.
5. Educate yourself about trauma. Understanding the effects of trauma can demystify what you're feeling and help you see that your reactions are normal. Research how abuse impacts self-esteem and emotional health, so you can see how others have navigated similar challenges. This knowledge empowers you and reminds you that healing is possible. 6. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness helps you stay grounded in the present moment rather than being overwhelmed by memories of abuse or anxiety about the future. Practice mindfulness by paying attention to your breathing or the sensations in your body. Meditation can also help calm the mind, reduce stress, and increase emotional resilience, contributing to a stronger sense of self. 7. Focus on small achievements. After abuse, it's easy to feel defeated. One way to rebuild your confidence is to acknowledge and celebrate small achievements. Set manageable goals for yourself. Whether it's completing a task, learning a new skill, or simply getting through a tough day. Every small victory is a step toward reclaiming your sense of self-worth. 8. Create a positive environment. Your physical and mental environment influences how you feel about yourself. Surround yourself with things that bring you peace, joy, and comfort. This could involve decluttering your living space, listening to uplifting music, or reading inspiring books. A positive environment can help reinforce a sense of safety and self-worth. 9. Challenge negative self-talk. Abuse often leaves lingering negative beliefs about oneself. When you catch yourself thinking thoughts like "I'm not good enough" or "I deserved it," consciously challenge those beliefs. Replace them with empowering truths. "I am worthy of love and respect." Over time, this practice can rewire your brain to have a healthier self-image. 10. Reconnect with your body. Experiencing abuse, especially physical abuse, can create a deep disconnect between you and your body. It's common to feel detached, numb, or even resentful toward your physical form. Rebuilding this connection is essential for healing, self-acceptance, and regaining autonomy over your own body. Small blue diamond gentle movement awareness. Engage in activities that encourage mindful movement, such as yoga, stretching, dance, or even simple walks. These practices help you become aware of your body's sensations in a non-threatening way, allowing you to reclaim your physical presence. Small blue diamond focus on sensation, not appearance. Instead of viewing your body through the lens of past harm or societal expectations, shift your focus to what your body can feel and do. Explore textures, temperatures, and movements that bring comfort and pleasure, reinforcing a positive relationship with your physical self. Small Blue Diamond BDSM as a healing tool. For those within the BDSM community, certain aspects of the lifestyle, such as sensory play, guided touch, or controlled experiences, can help rebuild trust in your body and its responses. Engaging in safe, consensual experiences that emphasize trust, control, and aftercare can be empowering, allowing you to reclaim your body on your own terms. By embracing the pillars of BDSM, honesty, communication, trust, respect, and consent, you lay the groundwork for a healthier, more fulfilling experience, both within and outside of BDSM dynamics. Healing is not about erasing the past, but about reclaiming your present and future. Education, exploration, and self-compassion are key, so never hesitate to ask questions, seek support, and continue your journey toward healing and empowerment.